Repurposing video content for the different devices and social networks can be cumbersome, but luckily, Cloudinary can help you with that by automatically cropping and focusing your videos by using the different qualifiers that Cloudinary offers through the JavaScript API. First is to import the Cloudinary package into your code and configure it. Then, here you have the original video that is passed directly into the advanced video React component that renders it. The first step will be to create the YouTube version of this video. For that, let's copy this, rename it to YouTube, and add the aspect ratio function that allows you to change the aspect ratio of the video, in this case to be 16:9. The result of this is something really similar because the original video is also 16:9. But let's move on. Now create two more versions of this video, the mobile and the square one. Change the aspect ratio to be 9:16 for the mobile version and 1:1 for the square version. You can see that now the video is different, but looks weird. Let's change the crop method to be fill instead of scale. The result of this is way better, but the focus still doesn't work as we wanted. It's losing the focus of the main element, the person, on the mobile and square version. Let's fix that by using autogravity and autofocus after the aspect ratio modifier. Add the gravity transformation, passing the autogravity qualifier. To do that, you need to import the gravity qualifier from the Cloudinary qualifiers package. Now, let's repeat the same in the other two videos, mobile and square. Let's see the result. It seems that it's a bit better, but it's still losing focus on the mobile version. You can improve this further by using autofocus. To use the AI capabilities of Cloudinary to find your focus and keep the video in that place. For that, let's import autofocus from Cloudinary package. Again, this is a different qualifier. Also import the focus on qualifier that will give you access to the different elements of objects that Cloudinary can find in your video. Now, let's add another transformation into the chain. This time, autofocus, saying that it should focus on the face. Copy that into the mobile and square versions. And now, let's see the result. The video has improved the focus. The person is in the center of the screen as expected. But let's compare this in a better way. Let's change the aspect ratio of the square version to be the same as the mobile version, so you can see side by side. Remove the gravity here and check the difference. At the left side, you have the mobile version with autogravity and also autofocus. So in summary, to accomplish these transformations, you need to use the Cloudinary aspect ratio and also the autogravity and autofocus qualifiers, allowing Cloudinary to analyze your video to find the different objects you want to focus. Also, you can focus on different elements that Cloudinary already offer for you, like faces, horse, sheep, or a sofa. It depends on your goal. So there you go. This is how you can repurpose video on different aspect ratio, keeping the focus of the video on the elements that matter.